AirSoap needs to be cleaned about every 3 months, but if the auto light is blinking or there is a consistent loud popping noise, then it's good to clean more frequently. Unplug your unit. Remove the back plate. Inside the back plate is a rubber insert. You'll want to wipe this with a damp cloth. Remove the pre-filter. Wipe down both sides using a microfiber cloth. Remove the wire frame and gently wipe each wire with a dry microfiber cloth. Be careful not to use too much force. Remove collection plates. Flip over and unlock from the bottom. The piece that comes out splits into 2 separate pieces. Hand wash all 3 pieces separately. Remove the protective rubber insert. Hand wash with soap and water. Remove odor neutralizer. Do not wash. Wipe down with a dry cloth to remove dust. Every 12 months or so, it will need to be reactivated by being in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours, or by being placed in a home soap. Next, clean inner walls using a damp cloth. It is important that you allow all pieces to dry completely before putting them back in your AirSoap. Plug unit back in and reset the cleaning timer by holding down the button on top until all lights flash. Now your AirSoap is ready to continue disinfecting your air.